Man, what up though, man? What the business is? This TC Real.
You know it.
And Miss Tutu.
Yeah, but anyway, you know who we is. We we the hottest. Now this male rap. Check it out. We on another what you call dry ass run. Even though it's a goddamn any day and with us. You know what I'm saying? With us. You know what I'm saying?
Right. They requesting this shit. You know what I'm saying?
We talking about. We ain't gonna say which one, but this is a radio station. But you know they stood us up, postponed, talk about tomorrow 5 o'clock. But you know we here. We here on the spot because we about our business.
We about that business, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so the bounce back. You know what I'm saying? The reality of things.
The reality of things coming real soon. But we gonna have to do this on a regular basis. Put this type of shit up. Let y'all know really what's going on with us in the dark. But you know what I'm saying?
They trying to pull us under, y'all.
They thirsty here like sharks. You know what I'm saying?
We gonna get the fuck away and get the fuck on. That's for certain.
You know what I'm saying? It's TC Real. It's Tutu. That's what's up. Get your shit in check. The reality things, bounce backs coming real. TC score out.
Miss Tutu Detroit. That's in my SSTOTO 1. My